Welcome to the Virtual High School. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at how to subtract a negative number from a positive number. Now we have the minus there indicating the subtraction, but then we have the minus 3 as well, which is the number being subtracted. Now there are two things which are very important for us. Number one, the question dictates that we must use a number line, so keep that in mind. But before we get there, we also observe the set of brackets. Now to get rid of the brackets, we need to also know that there is actually a 1 in front of the brackets. Now we need to get rid of the brackets first. That's very important. Otherwise we will have a minus minus right next to each other. And it's pretty confusing to have two signs without any numbers straight next to each other. That's why the brackets are there, but we need to get rid of the brackets. Which means we can multiply the minus 1 in with the minus 3. And to do that we can make use of the SN rule. Now the S stands for signs and the N stands for numbers. And what we'll do then is to multiply the minus and the minus. But now remember, if you multiply two equal signs or two similar signs, such as a minus and a plus, if they are being multiplied, your answer is always plus. If they are opposites, such as a minus times by a plus or a plus times by a minus, your answer is always going to be a negative. Now since we have in this case a minus times by a minus, we will have a positive answer, and then we multiply the numbers. 1 times 3 is 3. So we still have the 4 on the left hand side. It wasn't taking part in any of the multiplication, but then the minus 3 became plus 3. Now you might say, I know the answer is 7, but remember we were told to use a number line. So we need to then go to the 4 on the number line and say, to add 3 we move 1, 2, 3 places to the right, and then we end up at the 7. So now only can we definitely say, according to the number line, our answer is 7. Something which is just very important for you to realize is that a minus minus actually became a plus. To subtract a negative number became normal addition of a positive number. Thank you for using the Virtual High School.